Dill, often associated with crispy dill pickles, is a versatile herb that can enhance various dishes from chicken salad to marinades. To preserve fresh dill, rinse it under cool water, dry it completely between paper towels, and wrap it lightly in a damp paper towel before placing it in an airtight container or resealable bag. Store it in the crisper drawer of your fridge for up to a week, ensuring high humidity to prevent wilting. Alternatively, you can keep dill in a jar with water like a bouquet, changing the water every 2 to 3 days for freshness for up to 3 weeks in the fridge. For long-term storage, wash and dry the dill. Trim off any brown leaves and seal it in a freezer bag, removing excess air. Dill can be frozen for 6 to 12 months, and when ready to use, it can be added directly to cooked dishes or thawed at room temperature for other recipes.